Hello, the Affiliate Starter Kit, or Ask, is a beginner-friendly package that includes step-by-step guides and templates, and also recommended resources to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey with System.io. And in this Affiliate Starter Kit, you have a squeeze page, a thank you page, and also an admin page just for you to create your links to your squeeze page. But you will be able to understand how it works if you join and get the course on how to install it on your System.io account. It's free. But in this video, it's not to present it, it's because I will change the squeeze page to make it more plain. Because I have the French version of this Affiliate Starter Kit, and I changed the page, the squeeze page, and I got 156% more conversions, and it's about 2.5 times more contacts for the same traffic. It's exactly the same. I A/B tested it, so I sent my traffic, the same traffic, to those two pages at the same period of time, and it converted on a month on 20,000 visits, converted 2.5 times more. So it depends on the quality of traffic, of course, but my quality wasn't good, so my conversion rates are low. But if you have a more serious traffic, I mean, you will get higher conversions, but the difference will be the same or even more. Because you see, the problem with the original squeeze page, the one that I still have on this, maybe I can show you, you will see immediately. So it's a bit busy. And you will see it even more busy because everything is moving, including the background. You have the waves. Here, when the mouse is over the image, it moves, everything moves. So it shouldn't be a problem, but it is. And the other version of this page has a white background. When your mouse goes over the text, it doesn't move, the button doesn't move, everything is very plain. And so it converts 2.5 times more. So of course I find it very nice looking, this animation, I like it, but for a squeeze page, it doesn't work. It's not good for the job. It still converts, but it's not good. So I will show you for the statistic for this traffic. So I want to keep it as a record. Now we are at the end of June, or June 2023. So what I plan to do on this Affiliate Starter Kit is to completely remove this animated page and only have the plain page because it converts better. So I won't be able to A/B test it. So I will just show you the stats that I have for this. So for the duration of this account, I got 20,000 also, and the conversion rate is 1.7. So in this 20,000 traffic, you must realize that it's very poor quality traffic. What does it mean? It's cold traffic. I mean, it's even more than cold because most of the traffic doesn't even, the people who come to this page don't even know that they are going to this page. Not even for the lead magnet. This I will explain in another video, but I mean, they are not interested at all. So they come here, so it converts very poorly because they see something in exchange for an email. Okay, some of them take it, but this is not good for a squeeze page. 2%, 3%, even 10% is not good. So of course it will, if you send traffic that people have clicked on a link to get something and they arrived on this squeeze page, it will convert at, I don't know, but 50% or more, I don't know. But the quality of traffic, if you send random people who clicked on a link on a blog to go read an article and they come to this page, and the page doesn't offer to read the article, you understand that, of course, it will not convert, and that's what is happening here for the moment. But even with this low quality traffic, if I change this squeeze page and it increased by at least two times, so it will be 3% or 4%, about that. So I will change it, and then when I look at the stats, I will put the dates here, starting from July 2023, and this video is just a record for me, if I remember it, to look for this figure that was before. But for sure, it will increase, so I'm not worried about that, but at least I have a video record of this. And when I will be done with it, and I will have the course and everything, I will again make more videos so you can use it. Bye bye.